If you're in the process of studying for your CIPS Level 6 Professional Diploma in Procurement and Supply qualification, then you'll be aware there are 4 core modules and 3 elective modules that you have to sit, you have to pass those exams in order to become professionally qualified and get those letters behind your name. Now, I want to focus in this short on L6M5, that's the Strategic Procurement Leadership module. If you've looked at the content, then you'll be aware that it's predominantly around development programs and the strategic contracting decisions that we get involved in as procurement professionals and how we can shape and make for a better program outcome. But there's a problem in the syllabus, and I want to alert you to this. Now, the syllabus has recently been updated. Actually, I was part of the committee that went through that review, and a decision was made by CIPS that none of the elective modules would change. All of their marketing says so, their website says the elective modules have not changed, and the syllabus content should be exactly the same as the original content that was first published in 2018 and first examined in 2019. But that is not the case. There is a major typesetting error within the syllabus for Level 6 for L6M5, and it's all around the first learning outcome, where 1.1 should be all about contracting options. Now, by contracting options, we're talking about how development programs are brought about into fruition through the contracting module. So it includes things like design and build, or the traditional sequential approach to contracting, or things like public-private partnerships and turnkey projects. So these are really important quasi-strategic decisions that procurement gets involved in, and it has been missed off the syllabus. In the old syllabus, it was there. It should be here in the new syllabus, but it is missing. What that means for the March 2026 exams, it will not be tested on. It's there in the study guide, but it will not be tested because CIPS has missed it in the typesetting of their syllabus. I am reliably informed that CIPS is in the process of reproducing the syllabus for Level 6, and it will reappear. So from the next set of exams, that's from May 2026, 1.1 about the contracting options will be examined. Now, if you're about to sit your exam for L6M5, please check in with which syllabus you are working off and which exam sitting you're about to. If you've got any more queries, contact us at Cordie. We'll be glad to help, glad to steer you through your exam. If you want, come and study with us. We get a phenomenal pass rate on this module and across the whole of Level 6. But in the meantime, best of luck with your CIPS exams. Thanks for watching in. Please do like and subscribe to us, and we look forward to seeing you soon. Thanks for watching.